Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how you can insert a header and a footer into your worksheet. Let's get right into it. The worksheet is open. Click on Insert in the toolbar and then on Headers and Footers in the drop-down menu. In the pop-up menu, select the Header tab. Enter items to your liking in the three possible areas or leave them void. Since I'm not very good in typing, I will speed up the process a little bit. After finishing the header, repeat all the steps with the footer section. After finishing the footer section, click on OK. Hit Print Preview in the toolbar and check the outcome. This concludes the video about inserting headers and footers into a Calc worksheet. You will find helpful links in the description. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.